Hi there! Are you thinking about starting a LinkedIn outreach campaign? Or maybe you're here to get ideas to improve what you've already got? Well, you've come to the right place. For in this video, I will show you how to do outreach marketing on LinkedIn. So if you're ready, please go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's dive in. First, let's talk about what is a LinkedIn outreach strategy. LinkedIn outreach is all about finding and reaching out to new people on LinkedIn. Prospects, in other words, who might be interested in your products and services. The high-level overview is simple. Find people, introduce yourself, and pitch your product. Good fit? Sell them. Bad fit? Move on. A good LinkedIn outreach strategy means a lot of introductions to lots of great prospects. But of course, there's a bit more to it than that. There are many ways to conduct sales outreach, but LinkedIn is one of the most effective platforms for B2B companies to find leads. So now, why use LinkedIn for outreach? Why is LinkedIn so great as a prospecting platform? Here are a few reasons. 1. User numbers. There are over more than 760 million users on the platform. That doesn't match Facebook's number, but it doesn't need to. Consider this. If you can only sell to 1 in a million people, there are still going to be 760 people ready to buy from you on LinkedIn. Next, audience. The LinkedIn audience is different than other social media audiences. These aren't teenagers. They're adult professionals who care about their careers, and for some sales environments, that makes it a gold mine. Next, professional search tools. On LinkedIn, it's ridiculously easy to search for people who meet the exact criteria you have in mind, especially if you're willing to drop down some money for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Seriously, you can find people based on their company size, industry, years of experience, and dozens of other factors. And lastly, flexibility. LinkedIn is a platform that is so flexible and versatile. So now, I'll give you LinkedIn outreach, a step-by-step walkthrough. So what does LinkedIn outreach look like? Let's break it down into step-by-step process you can follow. Step 1. Identify your target audience. You'll need to figure out who your target audience is, and that's something you'll need to do on your own. Moving on to step 2. Use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to conduct a search for your target audience. If you don't have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account yet, set one up. It's worth it. Then conduct a search for your target audience, using the many advanced search parameters to really hyper-target your right audience. Step 3. Connect and/or find email addresses. Send connection requests to each prospect from your search results. After they accept your connection request, you can usually view their email address by visiting their profile and by clicking Contact Info. Then you'll see their listed contact details, which sometimes includes a phone number and usually includes an email address. You can collect email addresses manually, but you can also largely automate the process using a LinkedIn Email Finder app. And step 4, send a LinkedIn message, or a sequence of messages. When you send a connection request, you should customize your request message. Default messages are often ignored as spam, so just keep it simple and friendly. After you connect, it would be ideal if you manually engage with people, bring value to their feeds, and offer advice and help. But if you've got more important things to do, then make friends and spend your day perusing LinkedIn to find opportunities to bring unique value to every person you connect with. Then you can automate the messaging process. If you want to automate it, cast a wider net. Then send a sequence of messages to new connections after you connect with them, each spaced a few days apart. You can do this using one of LinkedIn outreach automation tools, but you can also use a wonderful tool, which I will be showing you before this video ends. So stay tuned. Moving on to step number 5. Monitor responses to your LinkedIn messages. If someone responds to a message from your automated messaging sequence, then you need to respond to them manually. Be friendly, polite, and respectful. And lastly, step number 6. Conduct email outreach. In step 3, we created a list of email addresses from the LinkedIn Sales Navigator search results. Now, it's time to conduct outreach to those email addresses. And you can easily do that by using a wonderful tool.
Did you know that you can make cold emails easy? Run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. Introducing PursueApp by TechnicForce. Cold email automation done right. PursueApp makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Here's what you can get in PursueApp: personalized cold email marketing engine, commercial license, lead verification system, custom-crafted customer journeys, multi-event triggers for email, deep analytics and reporting, warm leads identification, A/B testing, ready-made email themes for many niches, events and conversion tracking, integration with thousands of apps with Zapier, inbuilt API for custom integrations, multi-user support, support for Gmail, G Suite, Outlook, and SMTP, agency license, 1-year free update, 24/6 support, cold email training, and ready-made cold email campaigns. So try PursueApp now. Just go to getpursueapp.in.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you can be updated on our daily videos. Thanks for watching.